Hey guys, welcome back. I'm the Bento Buster and today I'm going to show you how to make a Katsu Sando. In my previous video, I showed you how to make Tonkatsu. That's a Japanese deep fried pork cutlet, and we'll be needing that for the sandwich. Now as always, to make an awesome Japanese Sando, you need the right bread, and that is Japanese milk bread. You can usually find it at Asian bakeries, or you can make it yourself. And if that's a big no-no, just use something similar. Oh, and don't be stingy. No thin slices, you want some thick meaty slices for this Sando. Now for the sauce, I'm using Tonkatsu sauce, ketchup and Kiwi mayonnaise. And once you've mixed it all together, we are ready to build this baby. Now the next step is to spread it over the bread. Now 2 dollops should be enough, and then you can start spreading to your heart's content. Okay, now that's done. Now it's time to unleash the Tonkatsu, or the baby Chewbacca. And here he is in all his glory. And if you want to know how to make the perfect Tonkatsu, just click on the link above. You won't be disappointed. It is restaurant quality, and very good indeed. Now this wouldn't be a Katsu Sando without some shredded cabbage. And here's a tip, you only need a little bit of cabbage, so don't go berserk. Okay, looking pretty good. Now the next thing we've got to do is weigh this thing down. So, bust out the plate. Now that's done, you can unleash the Kraken. Or, if you don't have one of those, an iron kettle will do. And after a few minutes of being weighed down, the bread should be nicely molded to the katsu inside. Hopefully. Now, the big question, are you a crust person or not a crust person? Inquiring minds want to know. Now if you want this Sando to be legit, we have to remove those crusts. But the good thing is, we can eat the little bits that we discard. Think of it as our little bonus. So when you're cutting, don't be scared to cut off some pork, because we can eat it. Trust me, nothing goes to waste at Bento Buster HQ, Tokyo. Okay, now look at that. That's a very attractive looking Sando. But, Bento Buster, please wait. We can't eat it yet. We still have to cut it in half and to make it slightly more presentable. Okay, I think I'll just cut it along here so that we get a nice bit of cross section and we still get some crispy bits on the side. Okay guys, can you feel the tension in the air? Now it's time for the big reveal. How do we do? Ho 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 ho! Perfect! That's a great Katsu Sando. Now look at this. Would you toss us out? No way! This is the perk of the job! Haha! Tonkatsu. You are simply irresistible. Okay guys, now check out this cross section. Yep, that is the money shot. Oh god, that is divine. Now if you want to give it some kick, a bit of Japanese Karashi Mustard will do the trick. If not, some English mustard will do just fine. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That did the trick. And for the last piece, I might just try a little bit more Tonkatsu sauce. Now I've said it before and I'll say it again. This is one awesome comfort food. It really is a food of the gods. Okay guys, it's almost time for me to go. Thanks for watching. Oh, and remember, if you want to know how to make a Tonkatsu, just click on that link above. Okay, see you next time.